If you've noticed your PC lagging with unnecessary apps and processes, you're in the right place. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to free up that valuable space, speed up your system, and get rid of those pesky pre-installed apps that slow you down. That's possible by debloating Windows 11. If you don't know what debloating is, it's just the process of removing those unnecessary apps and services from Windows 11. So, grab your coffee, and let's jump right into it. Alright, to debloat Windows, we're gonna be using a script. The script can be found in the GitHub website. The website's link will be in the description. Click on them, and you'll be redirected into my website. Here, in case you find any ad, just close it from here, and click on the download link again, and you'll be here. Well, if you don't know me, it's Rex, and this is my channel. Do visit if you need any tutorials. Let's get back to where we left. Here you can see the quick method of debloating, which I don't recommend. Still, just to know, to run the quick method you have to copy this code and open the PowerShell as admin. Then paste the command here, then just hit enter. That's it. But for the real traditional method, you need to download the debloating script from here. Your download will start right away. And when it's complete, just open its location, extract the zip. Open the extracted file, then double-click on Run. Here we can do the debloating according to our choice, so we'll go with the custom mode. Press 2 and hit enter. Here you'll have 4 options. You can select whichever you want. And for extra info, here mentioned app list is in the extracted file. Just here. You can see the list here which are going to get removed if you choose the option 1. For this tutorial I will go for number 3. Here you can choose which apps to keep and which to not. Just check those which you don't need, and those will get removed from your PC. After selecting, just confirm it. I would select no, as I do recording with that sometimes, but you can select yes if you want to remove that. After that, I would remove all the pinned apps from the start menu. And then disable telemetry, that would be yes. Tips, tricks, suggestions and ads, yes as well. Disable Bing web search in Cortana, yes. Disable Windows Copilot, yes. Disable Windows Recall Snapshots, yes as well. Restore the old Windows 10 style would be no. Don't want to make any changes in the taskbar, and changes in the File Explorer, no as well. Now just hit enter to confirm the choices we made. It would take some time depending on your PC speed, so just have patience. Well, you might face some error removing Microsoft Edge. So you can use Y here, but sometimes even then this doesn't get uninstalled, so would be no. And when it's complete, press any key to exit. After that, I'll put another link in the description, which will lead you to this website of Wise Cleaner. We're gonna use it to remove Microsoft Edge, so just download it, it's completely free. When it's done, just install it. Then launch it. Scroll down and select Microsoft Edge and the WebView runtime. select Force Uninstall. If you say yes, it will uninstall it right away. Alright. After uninstalling, you can uninstall the Wise Cleaner. Just go to its location and double-click on Uninstall and uninstall it. That's it. And yeah, make sure to give it a like. It won't even take you 3 seconds to do it. And yeah, with all due respect, love your parents, and take care of yourselves. See you in another video. Bye for now. Oh yeah, here are some videos, might be useful for you, so you can check them out.